Hi Grab Food Merchant Partner. In this video, we'll learn about cleaning food and sanitizing equipment. It's important to clean food and sanitize your equipment before storing them to avoid accidents, cross-contamination, and germs from penetrating. Cleaning by itself removes dirt but does not kill all bacteria. You must clean to reduce the levels of bacteria to a safe level. Fruits and vegetables can be brushed clean with water and vinegar. To clean equipment and hand contact surfaces, you can use dedicated cleaning products such as detergents, disinfectants, and sanitizers. Detergents such as washing up liquid are good for removing grease, dirt, and food from utensils and equipment. As for disinfectants, they can reduce germs to a safe level. Remember to clean surfaces before you disinfect. Sanitizers are two-in-one products, as it functions as both a detergent and a disinfectant. Follow the manufacturer's directions on dilution rates and amount of contact time required for the product to work. Clean and sanitize utensils, equipments, or surfaces in this order: scrape, rinse, clean, rinse, sanitize and dry, or allow the surface to air dry. If you use reusable cloth, wash them in at least 90 degrees Celsius and disinfect and dry them after each use. Tap water may not be as clean as we think it is. Before cleaning and sanitizing, test the water's quality by using test strips, colored disc kits, and handheld digital instruments. Let's improve our hygiene practices for the benefit of the community.